Welcome to another tips and tricks video from Building on a Budget Models. Now, custom window masks and bare metal foil can really add to the quality of your model. However, they can sometimes leave horrible sticker residue. Now, I can help you get rid of it with simply olive oil, cotton bud, damp kitchen paper and a little bit of patience. Now, as you can see here, I started to have difficulty when removing the Zero Designs window mask from the clear parts of my Jaguar XJ220. I realised this when it was coming off very slowly. Now resist the temptation to pull it off too fast, as this can damage the glass. The window mask left some pretty horrible residue and I couldn't see any way to get rid of it. So simply dip the cotton bud into some olive oil for a few seconds until it is soaking in it. Make sure there's not too much on it, but then get the clear part, here I'm using a different one, and rub on it in small circles and then leave it overnight. Wipe the remaining residue off with a wet paper towel and there you are, a crystal clear window. Hope that's helpful. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.